I know why you're here, so let's just get right to it. So first of all, I used a carton. Yes, a carton. I cut a big circle, then a small circle in the middle, to give it that ring light. I sellotaped round the carton to make it more firm a bit because I didn't want it to be too wobbly or too weak. The next thing I did was to wrap my aluminum foil around my circle, that's carton circle, because I wanted to have that reflector effect, or how do I put it? I know aluminum foil is used as a good reflector, so yes, I had to put that on the ring light. I also used aluminum foil for my DIY softbox and umbrella light. So if you want to know more about that, click the link above. Next thing I did was to get my LED light or rope light, because when I went to buy it, that's what they called it, rope light. I said, okay, rope light. I got my rope light and I began to sellotape it around my ring light or my carton. It's not yet a ring light. Before I continue, I'm going to introduce myself now. I am Queen Geal. My name is Abigail Theophilus. If you're new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. I make content relating to natural hair, skincare, and also content creation like this. So subscribe if you are new, and if you like this, give this a thumbs up. Thank you. So where was I? I taped my LED light round the carton, round and round, till it was finished, or till it was just the extension part left. Although you have to leave an allowance, because depending on the yards of wire that you get, I couldn't take it round and then plug it in, because the extension is quite short. Sorry, I'm looking here. This is where my ring light is. So that's how it is. So if you like what you're watching, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. So let me show you my ring light. Before I show you guys my ring light, I'm going to turn off the other lights so that you guys can see how bright it is. So if you have any questions, don't forget to leave it down in the comment section, and like, comment, subscribe like I said before. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.